A new mobile health provider in Tulsa is making house calls. News on 6's Jordan Tidwell shares how Dispatch Health brings the hospital to patients' homes.
Dispatch Health loads up and takes off to head straight to patients' houses.
And what we know now is that, lots of patients do better in a familiar environment in the comfort of their home.
Dispatch Health started covering Green Country in December. Ruby Literal says it's a way for people to see a health provider without having to go to the emergency room or an urgent care.
We see a lot of patients with respiratory complaints with things like pneumonia, exacerbations of congestive heart failure, exacerbations of COPD. So those are a lot of the things that we treat patients for in their homes.
She says Tulsa has had one of the most successful openings of Dispatch Health with more than 200 visits in the area in December and January. Literal says being able to keep patients in their homes makes a difference, and they can bring different types of labs and equipment with them. Dispatch Health partners with St. Francis, and Dr. Lance King says one benefit is reconnecting patients with their primary care doctor.
They were able to help him get the medicine for that. He wasn't terribly ill, so he didn't need to go to the hospital. But then they also sent me a report on exactly what they did, and we were able to contact him to get him to come back to the office.
King says it also helps relieve some of the demand on emergency rooms and urgent cares while making sure all patients still get the care they need.
But ultimately, to utilize urgent care, the emergency department, and Dispatch Health rounds that out in a way that I think is patient-friendly and serves the needs of the patients.
In Tulsa, Jordan Tidwell, Oklahoma Zone, News on 6.